So we'll be seeing how we can use text OCR to get text out of our images. Unlike the iPhone, this Android version need you to be connected to your network. You could simply just take a screenshot of a text. Let me get a screenshot of my keyboard here, and it brought it out. Or you could likewise just choose an image from your gallery, and it should definitely bring it out. As you can see, because I'm using the free version, this is the reason I'm seeing all these pop-ups, these adverts left, right, and center. So that's how to go about using them to get text out of your image. So now to how to use your iPhone to scan a text out of an image. You get the text, which is this. You can see to the details the last text written. Click on done, and you have your result. As you can see that we have some typos that are not really sure. Facebook stats you need to know 2.3 million users. All the silent or salient words that we can't see are the words that it's also obvious for us to see. So I believe this is going to help you to get some text out of images even with your iPhone.